we gotta get it open. Ugh. What is that? Mickey Mouse? Her.
Yeah, we had to force it in there.
Oh.
Okay, go.
Oh, we even small.
Stop.
Get it
I know, Mickey Mouse, you have to have it.
He's stuck.
Oh, no, Mickey Mouse.
What is that?
Mickey Mouse.
It's a spaceship.
And it opened.
Wow. Say thank you, Mimi. Say thank you.
Peyton, say thank you. Peyton, thank you.
Peyton.
So we're trying to open this.
Peyton.
Peyton.
Tell Daddy. Say thank you, Mimi. Thank you, Papa.
Say thank you, Mimi and Papa. Thank you.
Okay, that's good.